6.3, Interest. In this particular course, we're going to talk only about simple interest. What you see here is the simple interest formula. We have P times R times T equals I, or PRT equals I. P stands for the principal, which is the original amount. R stands for interest rate. The interest rate is normally expressed as a percent, which you must convert to a decimal before plugging into the formula. T stands for time in years, and finally I stands for the amount of interest earned. We also have what's known as the maturity value. The maturity value is simply equal to the original amount invested, which is the principal, plus the interest earned. Calculate the simple interest due on a 2-year loan of $1,500 that has an annual interest rate of 7.5%. By using the formula, we can plug in information that we know. The original amount invested, which is $1,500, times the rate, which is 7.5%. Again, we must convert it to a decimal. We get 0.075 times 2. We end up with an interest amount of $225. The maturity value is the principal amount plus the interest, so $1,500 plus $225, and we get a total amount due of $1,725. The maturity value divided by the length of the loan in months is equal to the monthly payment. Let's try an example. The maturity value of an 8-month loan is $8,520. What is the monthly payment? Take the maturity value, $8,520, and divide it by 8. We end up with a monthly payment of $1,065. Example, Josh borrowed $500 from a savings and loan association for 180 days at an annual interest rate of 7%. What is the simple interest due on the loan? The principal is $500 times the rate, which is 0.077%, times, notice that the time in this problem is in terms of days. So to convert days to years, we have to write the days, which is 180, divided by 365, because there are 365 days in a year, and that equals I. We end up with an approximate value, rounded to the nearest cent, of $17.26. Let's talk now about finance charges on a credit card bill. They are calculated using the simple interest formula. Let's try another example. The credit card Leah uses charges her 1.6% per month on her unpaid balance. Find the finance charge when her unpaid balance for the month is $1,250.